Does your business need more profit? Profit is the lifeline of any business. The question that most business owners have: how do I increase my profits? There are two simple solutions for this problem. 1. Get more leads to your business. 2. Convert more of your current leads. I know it sounds overly simple, but that's what it ultimately boils down to. For example, if you convert 1 out of every 10 customers into sales. In order to double your sales, you either need 20 new customers, or convert more of the current customers into sales. Either of these two things will double your profitability. And if you did both, you could 4x your profitability or more. So now we know how to become more profitable. The million-dollar question still looms. How do you get more leads? There are two types of leads, or commonly known as traffic: organic traffic and paid traffic. Why organic traffic? It's free to do, with long-term results. Why not organic traffic? It's not scalable and has slower results. It's also time-consuming, and labor-intensive. Why paid traffic? Faster results, scalable, and trackable. Why not paid traffic? There is an ad budget that is needed. There is also a learning curve, and testing ads is required for success. So what's the best for your business? Paid or free traffic? Depends on how long you are okay with your business being stuck in the same spot. Ask yourself this question: if you were able to get 5 more, 10 more, 100 more leads for your business, how would that change your business? How would that change your personal life? What if the leads were searching for your business and services? Would it make converting the traffic easier? What if you could reclaim your time by letting someone else handle this part of your business? Would you be able to spend more time with family and friends? We all know time is valuable, and as a business owner, your skills are better served catering to your clients and customers. I'm here to help you get back to focusing on your customers. I'm here to help you reach those growth goals and profit goals you have been striving for. Now I am not going to pretend like what I do is for everybody, because it's not. This service is not for procrastinators and non-action takers. This service is not for those who are comfortable with their current state. Lastly, this service is not for those who have no desire to change the status quo. So, if you are looking to make a change in your business, if you are ready to take action today, schedule a call by clicking the button below to see if we are a good fit for each other. I look forward to speaking to you, and have a great day.